Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing assembly video. Today I'm checking out the REHOOPEX freestanding accent cabinet with dual drawers. Had a little bit of a problem and I accidentally either I misplaced the instructions or I accidentally threw them away. So this is going to have to be a little bit of a kind of a play it by ear install here. So should be fun. Hey friends, so here we go. Got it all set up here. And I like that the cabinet doors are slam-proof ones. Kids sometimes are slamming doors or whatever. So these are pretty much impossible to slam close. I like those hinges, very nice, high quality hinges. They got the little pneumatic piston in there and everything. So you can put books in here. You can use it for shoes, blankets, towels, chest, just toys, all kinds of different uses for this, and just a nice little cabinet. And like I said, the drawers, the hinges are super adjustable. So if you needed to, if this was off a little bit, you could just change it just with a few, with a Phillips head screwdriver, just loosen those up, and then it's just pretty much fully customizable. So I really, the hinges on here are super nice. They're like high quality. Other than that, it's like a durable, it's not, it's a strong little cabinet here. So I appreciate you guys watching this unboxing and assembly video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day out there, and I'll see y'all next time.